What's up guys, Roostmx back with another video. As you've seen in the clips before this, it was just a little throwing together a little I don't know, just a couple shots I took the other day. But it's been rainy, been really cloudy and really rainy. It's supposed to rain a lot today, as you can see. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's been raining this morning. Right after those shots it started raining, so I had to go inside, couldn't record anymore. But what I'm doing today is, let me just go ahead and show you. The CRF 250 is semi put back together. It's not really bolted on or anything like that. It's just thrown together really quick, just so I don't have parts laying everywhere. But she's sitting there like that until I can get time to work on it. But the CR250, guys, might be, sorry about the trash, it fell over last night, but the CR250 might be gone. Somebody's want to come look at it. As y'all know, it's been kind of dirty here. Like as you can see, it just needed a real good cleaning. And we picked up a pressure washer, as you can see. We cleaned out the carport as best as we could. Those stains are there for good, so I already got the stand out. And yeah, I'm fixing the pressure wash the CR250, and this video today is going to be over how to make your plastics look, see how they look. Kinda, this is the before. I'm going to show y'all. As you can see, it's all faded kinda right in here. I mean, you can still see me, but it's faded. That's just a scratch in it. And just go ahead and shine these plastics up to make them look really good. Shine the graphics and everything up really good. I'm going to show you how to do that. And yeah, so let's get on with this, guys. Alright guys, so I got the bike washed off and I just got the whole bike dried off and everything. Pressure washer did really good. As y'all know, I couldn't get any of the dirt off of the tires. Well, I finally got them. I mean, you can see it's still going to kind of be like that, but I got them pretty good. All this right here is just from the wipe I used, as you can see. But I'm gonna get into polishing and waxing these fenders in a minute. But what I'm gonna do, I always like to do this in case any water at all got into the down to the pipe at all. I like to start it up really quick and just you know, just start it up and let it run. Plus it hasn't been started today, so been a nice little cold start for y'all on video. But loving the CR, looking super clean. As you can see, just looks so good. But like I said, might be getting rid of it, not too sure yet. Guys coming today, already have what I want to get in my mind, but we'll just see how it goes. So let me got my tripod, let me do a quick little startup. So yeah, as you saw, nice little cold start of the bike. And what I like to use for to polish my fenders is this Turtle Wax polishing compound and scratch remover. Works really good. I've used it on, I haven't used it on this bike yet, but I've used it on previous bikes before, and I know it does pretty good. All I get is I just get a regular just wash rag or a tablecloth or whatever, and just start going in a circular motion. I'll do a little time lapse of me doing that, and I gotta get the rag really quick, but then I will show you what I mean by how to do it on the rear fender, and then I'm gonna go through a before and after on the bike. Okay, so once you have your rag and your Turtle Wax right here, what you want to do is I just like to just get a little bit out right there. That was a little bit too much, but just a little bit, and then as you can see right here, the fender, you can see me and you can see some of these scratches all in it. Well, just take it and rub it in really good. Circular motion, of course, I mean everyone knows. And then just all the way around. Sorry if the wind noise is pretty bad, guys, but I can't help it. And what I like to do is, if it doesn't look good enough, put another coat on it. But as you can see just from that first coat, of course those deep scratches like those three right there are not going to come out, but you can see it's already much shinier than the number plate right there. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to set y'all up and I'm going to put y'all on the tripod and do a quick little time lapse. So here's what the bike looks like, all polished up. Looks much better. That, of course, is just from wear from the boots and stuff. It also worked on the frame pretty well. It shined it up just a little bit, and wow, I didn't even see that it was dirty. But you can see the shrouds right here, nice and clean. Didn't polish the front fender because I mean it's brand new, and it looks perfect. As you can see on this side, looks good too. Now what I'm going to start on is, as y'all know, as some of y'all may know, I like to put oil on my pipe to keep it nice and shiny and keep it from rusting, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright guys, and that right there is how you make your old bike or even your new bike look a lot better and a lot more cleaner for just a couple little simple tricks. I think it looks good anyways, so I guess that's going to be all. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Sorry if this is a little short video, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading much, but it's just been really rainy out the past few days, as you can tell. And it's been like that the past few days, so I haven't really had time to upload anything, and I haven't really been able to get outside and do much just because of rain. And dirt bike and rain, you can't do anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Go check out my channel if you're new. If you're new to the channel, or if this is your first video or whatever, go check out my channel. I have a bunch of cool videos on there. You might like them, you might not. If you do, subscribe. If you do like them, also go check out the rest of my videos. But I will catch y'all guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.